What's up, you guys? Welcome back, and welcome if you're new. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you what's in my car. I'm going to go inside right now and I'll explain to you a little bit more. Alright, so before I get bad comments or like anything like that, anything crazy, this is a collaboration with another YouTuber called SuperJess TV, otherwise known as Jessica. It's also going to be a tag video, so you do want to watch either to the middle or to the end, because I am going to tag one of you guys, and I know you guys watched through this video, so that's kind of like the only reason why I'm exactly tagging you. You'll see who it is in a little while. So let me explain. So I am doing a what's in my car video. I'm sure you've seen other YouTubers, I would say probably girls, that say what's in my bag type of videos. But of course I'm not a girl and I'm not about to do that. So me and SuperJess TV kind of thought of a different little idea. We kind of thought of this, pretty much what's in my car type of video. Alright, so that's like a little background story on that. So pretty much that way we could both collab and I'll show you what's inside. Alright, so let me know if, before I even show you, let me know if my car is dirty to you or if it's not. To me, I think it's dirty, honestly, especially the exterior. I know I didn't show you that, but it looks bad. Let me know how dirty or clean you leave your car. Let's go ahead and get to the video. Alright, so when you first step inside, and of course there's nothing here, well, we're gonna go ahead and start with the left driver door. I don't know about you guys, but I like to keep a rag, pretty much a microfiber towel with me. The reason why is, one, I try to keep my screen clean, so I kind of give it a light touch. Also, with the dust, or just if I ever were to spill anything, I like to keep this just in case. Under that, I do keep a taser, and yes, it does work. That's pretty much it for this side. Honestly, this video is going to probably be super short because I don't have much in this car. But once you look right here to the middle, there's nothing here. The only thing that I actually do have is probably just my charger. When you go to the center console right here, all I have is, you guys are probably going to laugh at me, I don't know who else has this, CDs. Yeah. Believe it or not, I don't listen to them. I don't know why I even have them in here. Another thing that I keep in here is all my gas receipts. I don't know about you guys, but I keep them up to like, I think like it's a month. Call me crazy or not, I don't care. I also have a envelope opener. I have chapstick. I have this thing right here. Pretty much what this is just to check your tire pressure. Connect that right there to your tire, and then this side pops out and it just shows you the tire pressure. A Sharpie, you always have to have either Sharpies or pens, as I do right there. Check that out. You never know if you're gonna need it for something. I also carry a notebook, but I don't have it here right now. I just took it down yesterday. Of course, I usually carry more tools, but I only have a screwdriver for today. That's pretty much what I have in there. On the passenger side door, I do have hand sanitizer. I don't know who else carries that, let me know. So I do have another notebook in here. Pretty much have the manual book, a couple other little things, my insurance card, and this is pretty much for if I ever use the trailer hitch in the back. So honestly, it's probably not even that interesting, but if you guys are watching, I do appreciate that. Let's go ahead and head to the back. So for the back, I do carry my heat gun because I use it for work and I don't want to leave it at my desk and it ends up getting jacked or something. I really don't, in any of my cars actually, not only this one, I don't really store anything in my cars. The only other thing I have here is my plates. They came in the other day. These go on the bed of the truck, so whenever I need to tie something down, I don't use them, that's why I store them in here. And if I leave them on the bed of the truck, they probably will get jacked because they're super easy to take off. So I'd rather just leave them in here. So whenever I'm out on a trip or something and my tires may be running low, or say I go off-roading and I take out air for my tires, then I need to put the air back. I use this bad boy right here. It's really slow, but it does work. So honestly, that's why I keep it there. I probably should upgrade, but that's what I have there. Probably super boring. I don't know if it was or not, but if you guys enjoyed it, thank you. And the person that I'm going to be tagging is Daniel Pasquale Vlogs. So, you know it, brother. I hope you do this video. Show me what's in your car and let's get to it. Once again, this was a collaboration with SuperJess TV, so if you could go ahead and check her video as well, I will link it in the description box below, so go check her out. And like I said, honestly, I really don't carry anything in any of my vehicles. I'm super paranoid of someone like breaking in and taking my stuff. So honestly, on all my cars, this is probably all I have, if anything, nothing. So pretty much when I go home, I'm probably gonna clean this truck out, and it's super dirty. I know you can't see it, but it's super dirty, so I need to wash it too. Just make sure to like, comment, and